making $300 per day. But how is that? First, copy the link you get from here, paste the link here, and then click Add a Website. Finally, you will receive $23.1. Multiply it with 15 and you will get $346.5 per day. Using Google Translate. Today I am gonna tell you how to make $45 every half hour or less. Using Google Translate, I know most of you are familiar with. It's a beginner-friendly strategy that doesn't require any prior experience. I will also give you another website and tell you how you can use TikTok and get millions of free traffic. So you just need to click what I click. So let's dive in. In case you are not familiar with CPA marketing, CPA stands for Cost Per Action. And it's a great way to make money online without selling anything. Instead, you get paid by performing simple tasks like entering an email address or a mobile number. Usually the method pays you less, but I'm gonna show you a strategy, a method with high paying offers and how you can get traffic to those offers and earn a very good amount every half hour. So guys, the first website I'm gonna use is Google Translate, and you all know Google Translate is very easy to use. Just type in, for example, in English and you can translate in Spanish, Arabic or any languages around the world. And the website we get the offer from is CPA Grip. It's a well-known CPA website with a wide range of CPA offers you can choose from. And you just need a PayPal account to get paid. Alright. First, go to CPA Grip and click on Register. Fill in the information and then click on the Register Now button. After login, your dashboard will look like this. You can check out the public chat with lots of people telling about their success. So you can see a lot of people are having success with this website. The first step is selecting high paying offer. To do that, you go to the left side and click Offer Tools and then My Offers. In the country section, you can see the country selected and below you see the offers. For finding the high paying offer, just click on the payout and you will get the high paying offers on the top. Also on the left side under type, you see either the offer is suitable for desktop, iOS or Android. Let's suppose the offer is valid for Android users. Just click on the offer and you will get the link. Just copy the link and you will need to promote this link. On the top there is a call to action for people who wants to win. The image displays here shows when someone click on the link that you are promoting, the offer page will look like this. In order to find the best offers, you need to select the European countries like France, Germany, Italy and Spain. These countries generally provide the high payouts for the small actions performed. To do that, let's select the country like France. Click here to select the payout. You will get the offers with highest payouts. Select the highest paying offer to promote. You can see the payout for this offer is $23. First, you just need to understand what this offer is about that you are going to promote. Just copy the top text on the offer in Google Translate and translate it into English, which says enter your mobile number now to get started. Then copy the link and save it somewhere safe. Now I am going to show you the website which will help us to promote our links and get free traffic. The website name is Traffic Ad Bar and the website guarantees 1022 visitors every 3 days to the website or the link you are sharing. I'll show you one more website, but first let's explore this one. Let's imagine 10 visitors click on the link and perform the action and you will get $231. And let's suppose 1,000 visitors click on the link we are promoting, then we will make $2,310. The worst scenario is also there. Let's suppose only 1% of the visitors click on the link and provide their details. Then we will get $236. And the most worst case, just one sign up, then we will get $23.10 even then. So let's start with traffic ad bar setup to promote our links. First, you need to enter your first name, then last name, and select the gender and click on next. You will then get an email. Just click on the link in the email and you will lead to this page. Then choose a password, type your password, and then retype your password and click next. Then type your username in the box below and check username. Then you will get the finish setting up button. What time would you like to receive the daily bonus point email? You can select any time here. Like I am selecting here 10 and then click save. Then you will lead to this page which says add a website or affiliate link. This is a place where you're gonna promote your offers link. So let's do it. We're gonna shorten the link we need to promote. Just paste the link in the destination bar, add a nice title, then click on create. Here's your shortened URL. Just need to copy this, paste it here and click add a website. You will lead to this page. Write your ad. Here you need to enter the title and the ad line for this promotion link. As we're gonna promote our offer in France, so we need to add in French language. So just go to the Google Translate, just type in iPhone giveaway and then convert in French language. Just copy it from there and enter in the title bar. For ad line, you need to enter sign up right now, call to action, and we need this text in French too. So we go to Google Translate and convert it in the French language and just paste it here. Then select the language of your ad and web page, which is French. Then select the time when you want your ad to be seen and then click add and then click on save. Your link will be promoted on the traffic ad bar site in front of thousands of visitors free of cost. And you will get paid in your PayPal account. The next website I'm gonna share with you is sigmatraffic.com. It's the best website to get a free traffic of 6,000 hits per month free of cost. Go guys, check this out. Promote your links and earn money online. And the most amazing way I'm gonna tell you about promoting your affiliate links is using TikTok. You will get millions of free traffic just by uploading your content on TikTok and boom, you're gonna rock. Just try these out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing stuff on online earning and making money online.